Hallo zusammen, ich heiße Dasha und ich kümmere mich um unsere Kunden hier bei ALM Works. Unser Unternehmen ist gerne Spitzenreiter in allem. Wir waren unter den ersten Anbietern, die sich dem Atlassian-Ökosystem angeschlossen haben. Und wir haben am ersten catworkx Midsummer Day teilgenommen.
We also happen to have one of the top marketplace apps, structure.gantt. If you need to deal with thousands of issues every day, track progress across multiple projects and teams, you're a control freak who needs to always stay on top of all things, structure is something you definitely need.
You were looking for better ways to plan things in Jira, manage resources, track dependencies and deliverables. So we heard you and released an extension to Structure, structure.gantt. Come see us to learn more about it.
We know that many of you are already moving or planning to move to Jira Cloud, and here's the good news. As you watch this, our engineers are working hard on the first public version of Structure Cloud, so you can play with it at the Midsummer Day. And if you are really excited to try it sooner, let us know and we will invite you to our Early Adopters program.
We've released the first version of Structure for Jira over 7 years ago. We've learned a lot about the challenges that exist in project management and the best ways to solve them. In our workshop, we will share some of these best practices with you. Don't miss it. It's going to be both fun and useful.
There's one more thing that makes this particular Midsummer Day extra special. catworkx is celebrating their 20th anniversary this year. We are really happy we've been working with them for quite a few of those years. We really value our relationship with catworkx and we wish their team all the success in years to come. And see you all at the party!